Good morning, beautiful day.
Today is gonna be a great farm day. Yum. Yum. Now I have energy to help everyone on the farm. What a beautiful morning. Time to check on all my farm friends. Good morning, chickens. Did you sleep well? Good morning, Daisy. You look happy today. Let me check on everyone. Chicken's happy. Daisy happy. Where is Stormy?
Stormy is usually running around by now. That's strange.
I better go check on Stormy right away.
Stormy! Stormy! Where are you, girl? Stormy! Oh no, she's lying down!
Hold on, Stormy! I'm coming!
Stormy! Stormy! What happened? Are you okay? Luffy? I'm so tired. I don't feel well.
Let me check on you. Your coat is dull. You look dehydrated. You've been working too hard in the hot sun, haven't you?
I tried to run and play too much yesterday in the hot sun. Now I can barely move. I'm sorry, Luffy.
Don't be sorry, Stormy. It's not your fault. But we need to get you somewhere cool and comfortable right away. You can't stay in this hot pasture. This pasture has no shade, and the sun is getting hotter. I need to move you to the shady meadow by the stream. But you're too tired to walk, and you're too big for me to carry. What can I do?
Wait! I know! Big Red the tractor! I can use the tractor to help move you gently.
Don't worry, Stormy. I'm gonna get the tractor and we'll get you to the cool, shady meadow. I'll be right back, I promise. Hold on, Stormy. I'll be back as fast as I can. Open up! Big Red! I need your help, buddy! Okay, Big Red! Let's go help Stormy! Yes! Good morning, Big Red! Let's go!
Hang on, Stormy! I'm coming!
Can't stop Daisy! Stormy needs help! Almost there! Okay, first I need to open the gate and get the soft rope.
does it. Whoop-oh, nice and slow.
I'm here, Stormy. Don't worry. Big Red and I are going to help you.
Luffy, you came back with the tractor.
Of course I came back. I promised, didn't I? Now let's get you out of this hot sun.
Thank you, Luffy.
This soft rope and harness will help guide you while the tractor pulls very gently. It won't hurt at all, I promise.
Easy, girl. When this is nice and soft, see? I'm gonna put it on you very gently. There we go, nice and easy. Almost got it!
Is that comfortable, Stormy? Not too tight?
It's soft. Thank you, Luffy.
Now I connect this to Big Red. Make sure it's secure. Perfect, everything is ready. Now, Stormy, I'm gonna pull very, very slowly and gently. Tell me if anything hurts, okay?
Okay, Luffy, I trust you.
Okay, here we go. Remember, nice and slow. I can see you from here, Stormy. Just relax and let Big Red do the work. Ready? Ready! Slowest speed. Nice and gentle. There we go. Nice and easy.
This doesn't hurt at all. It's so gentle.
That's right. Just relax and enjoy the ride. You're doing great, Stormy. We're going to the shady meadow by the stream.
Gate coming up, nice and straight. Oh.
Perfect! Through the gate safely. The farm looks so pretty from down here. Hi, chickens! Just helping Stormy. Feel better, Stormy. Thank you, Daisy. Look, Stormy, the shady meadow. We're almost there. The shade feels so nice. Almost there.
Here we are. Shade, soft grass, and fresh water. We made it! Safe and sound. Now let's get you comfortable.
There we go, all done.
The grass is so soft here. But you need water and rest. Let me take care of you.
First man, fresh water.
Heavy, but Stormy needs this.
Here you go, Stormy. Nice, fresh, cool water.
This is so good.
Drink as much as you need.
I feel a little better already. Great. Now you need rest. I'll stay with you.
Now let's make you extra comfortable with some nice soft hay. There.
Well, Lori's sweater coolers.
Nice and soft, like a cozy bed. This hay smells so nice. And it's so soft.
Your coat is all dusty and tangled. A nice brush will help you feel better.
Ah, nice long strokes. There we go, you're looking better already.
Gently through the tangles, we don't want to pull.
That feels so nice. Wow, Stormy. You look so much better. Your coat is shining again. Luffy, I don't know how to thank you. You've done so much for me.
That's what friends do, Stormy. We help each other. Now you just rest and get your strength back. I'll stay right here with you. You won't be alone.
That's it. Just rest now. Thank you, Luffy. Sleep well, Stormy. I'll be right here. Fresh water ready for when she wakes up. Stormy, you're waking up. How do you feel? I feel so much better. The rest really helped. Really? Oh, Stormy, that's wonderful. I'm so happy.
Have some more fresh water. You must be thirsty after that long sleep.
This water is so good.
Look at you, Stormy. You're looking so much better. Your eyes are bright again.
Luffy, I think I want to try standing up. I feel strong enough now.
Are you sure? Take it slow, okay? I'll be right here to help if you need me. Here I go.
Easy, easy, you can do it.
You're doing it. Keep going, Stormy. You're almost there.
I'm standing. I am standing. Yes. Yes, you did it, Stormy.
I'm so proud of you. I knew you could do it.
I couldn't have done it without you, Luffy. You saved me. Thank you for everything. That's what friends are for Stormy. I'll always be here for you. Easy does it. Nice slow steps. I'm getting stronger. Look, Luffy, I can walk.
You're doing amazing.
Oh, Luffy, I feel wonderful. The grass, the stream, everything is so beautiful.
There you go. Fresh stream water whenever you want it.
That's it. Eat up. You need to rebuild your strength.
This grass is delicious!
Look at that sunset, Luffy. It's so beautiful.
It is beautiful. And so are you, Stormy. I'm so glad you're feeling better.
I'm so lucky to have a friend like you, Luffy. You never gave up on me.
Of course not! Friends help each other, and being kind feels good. Seeing you healthy again makes me so happy. Are you tired? Do you want to rest more?
A little. But I feel so much stronger now.
Your hay bed is still nice and soft. You can rest here again tonight.
This is so comfortable.
I need to go put Big Red back in the barn and check on the other animals. But I'll come back first thing tomorrow morning, okay?
I know you will, Luffy. Thank you for everything today. Sleep well. You too, Stormy. Sweet dreams.
Rest well, Stormy. See you tomorrow. Come on, Big Red. Let's head home. What a day!
Today was a good day. I helped my friend. Moo! How is Stormy?
She's doing great, Daisy. She's resting in the shady meadow. She'll be all better soon.
Moo! That's wonderful. You're such a good friend, Luffy.
Home swill home, Big Red. Time to put you to bed, too. Open up. Easy. Into your spot. There we go. There we go. Good job today, Big Red. You were a big help saving Stormy. Thanks, buddy. Couldn't have done it without you. What a day! Time for dinner and bed. Home. So hungry after today. Time for bed. Early morning tomorrow to check on Stormy.
Good night, Farm. Good night, Stormy. See you tomorrow. Morning already? Stormy! I need to go check on her.
No time to waste. Breakfast to go. Stormy is waiting.
coming, Stormy! Morning, chickens! Can't stop!
Bow, bow.
Ooh, going to see Stormy! Yes! I hope she's okay. Almost there! Please be okay, Stormy! Stormy? Stormy, where are you? Stormy? Luffy! Good morning! Look at me! I feel wonderful! Stormy! You're all better! You're all better!
Thank you, Luffy. You saved my life. I'm so happy you're okay.
Look, Luffy! I can prance! I feel so strong!
Wow! Look at you go!
Amazing! You're completely better! I feel like a new horse. All because of you!
Should we walk back to the farm together? Everyone will be so happy to see you.
I want to thank everyone! And I can't wait to see the whole farm again! The farm is so beautiful! I never want to overwork myself again!
That's a great lesson, Stormy.
Stormy, you're all better! You look amazing! Thank you, Daisy. I feel amazing!
Hello, little friends. Good to see you.
Everyone, look who's all better.
Thank you, everyone! And thank you, Luffy, for saving me!
I promise to always take care of myself better. I'll drink enough water and rest in the shade when it's hot.
That's a great promise, Stormy. Taking care of ourselves is very important. And friends always help each other.
Best friends forever?
Best friends forever. Let's get you back to your pasture. But remember, Heck, come to the shade when it gets hot.
I will, I promise. Home sweet home. Thank you again, Luffy.
Have a great day, Stormy. I'll come visit later.
I'll be here. Thank you, my friend. Being kind and helping friends. That's the best feeling in the world.
Thanks for watching our adventure. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button.
And don't forget to like and share with your friends.